Our children are under siege.
There is a 16-year-old boy fighting for his life.
Multiple shots.
The fire of parents.
No, not my baby no more.
In Chicago, over half of our children under the age of 5, that's more than 102,000 kids, live in a community that experienced over 4 murders in 2017. We know that even if an infant or child does not witness a murder, they are deeply affected by the stress and fear experienced by the adults around them. If parents and caregivers are stressed, anxious, and fearful, then infants and children are too, and that stress negatively impacts their developing brains. In a nation divided by poverty, violence, immigration, and deportation, Erikson is uniquely qualified to provide critically needed trauma-focused services for families with infants and young children. We work with families in communities directly affected by our city's violence, and without intervention see the tragic and lasting impact traumatic early experiences have on the development of infants and very young children. That's why in January 2019, Erikson will open the new Center for Children and Families in Little Village, the first clinic of its kind to offer comprehensive mental health and developmental services for infants and young children. Little Village has the highest concentration of young people under 18 in the entire city of Chicago. Little Village represents a community where families face poverty and community violence on a daily basis. The Erikson approach to enhancing child and family well-being understands that children develop in the context of their family, community, and culture. We must work holistically to address the multiple factors affecting a child's development. Little Village represents Chicago's future. The fight for our future starts early. It starts locally, and it starts now by meeting families where they are at, opening clinics directly in Chicago's most vulnerable neighborhoods. In this age of uncertainty for our children, we at Erikson do this work for an important reason. We know that investing in a child's early years will last a lifetime. Our future depends on it.